Mello Azevedo, founded in the 40s, is a highly respected civil construction company on the Brazilian market. Mello Azevedo has been operating non-stop throughout the years and is seen as a model company in terms of combining tradition and innovation. Its innovation is based on its motto, changing for the better. As for tradition, that started being built since its foundation in the city of Belo Horizonte in 1943. The president of Brazil at the time was Getúlio Vargas, and the country had not yet won any World Cup, but people were already focused on building a better country. Back then, only shovels, carts, and pioneers were available. Nevertheless, Mello Azevedo executed important works such as Rio Bahia, Divinópolis Formiga, and Montes Claros Januária highways. In 1949, Mello Azevedo showed its innovative potential by becoming the first company in the state of Minas Gerais to produce heavy machinery for building roads and railways, ranking among the most respected names in its market segment since then. In the 1970s, taking advantage of the rapid growth surge of the country, Mello Azevedo diversified its markets, always following its motto, changing for the better. And since then, it has maintained its solid position, even in the presence of the oscillations characteristic of the market. In the following decades, the company adopted the most modern management processes and began to effectively operate nationwide. Mello Azevedo has branches ranging from São Paulo to Santarém, Pará, and its successful works are found all over Brazil. From the late 90s on, the company, always attuned to global trends, changed for the better and became the second construction company in Minas Gerais to be certified in the coveted Integrated Management System, SGI, which includes ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and OHSAS 18001, plus BBQPH SIAC Level A, all of them through the Bureau Veritas certification. This is ample proof that Mello Azevedo is committed to the effectiveness and control of its processes, to the quality, health, and safety of its employees and collaborators, and also to the preservation of the environment. In other words, it is committed to growing with full sustainability in all directions, according to the needs of business and society. So you can see that there's not merely a framed statement on the wall, but actually a real commitment on the part of senior management to the motto, changing for the better, and to the company's integrated management system. And we can see the good results of this commitment from one end of the country to the other. In the area of heavy construction, in the area of industrial construction, in the area of special construction such as bridges and overpasses, in the area of sanitation, in the area of environmental rehabilitation, in the area of commercial buildings, in the area of low-cost housing, and in the area of restoration. As you can see, the history of Mello Azevedo is full of successes and achievements, interwoven with the country's history. From the shovels and carts to the various world titles, Brazil is no longer a solely agrarian economy, having some of the most important economic hubs of the emerging world. And Mello Azevedo is now a company of the 21st century. Modern, efficient, and prepared to meet the needs of a large variety of clients, always contributing with its experience of 6.5 decades of operation. Mello Azevedo, building since 1943.